Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate YouTrip card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to activate your YouTrip card, physical and virtual, for physical, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your YouTrip application, then simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the cards icon on the bottom of your screen, and then once you're inside there, select My Card Has Arrived option. Then once you select it, enter your Y number or YouTrip number. This is the 10-digit serial number printed on the back of a YouTrip card, and once you have entered it and simply tap on confirm, you'll receive a verification email at the email address you use for registration. Simply open the email and then tap on the activation link. Then once you do that, simply head over back on the app and then create your 4-digit card PIN, and this is the PIN you use for in-store chip payments and ATM withdrawals. Then once done, your physical card is activated and ready to use, and you can top up and start spending. For your first virtual card, the first time you use the virtual card, you may be prompted to confirm your email address. Simply open the activation email sent to you by YouTrip and then tap the activation link inside it, and you will be asked to create a 6-digit app passcode if you haven't already set one. And now once you are done with that, your virtual card will be activated once you verify your email and set the passcode. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Give a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.